Hi everybody, Mary Mitchell here. There's a couple of important things to say about this painting before we dive in. And number one is this is a 16 by 40 canvas. And although as I looked up, I had my iPhone on a tripod over and back, against the side, I could see the entire painting in it. But it didn't come out. And I don't, the entire painting, you can't see it. So I had to edit out, parts of it that looked like I wasn't doing anything when I was in fact working on the bottom. So I took those out because it looks like I'm not doing anything, but I am. I'm working on the bottom part. So anyway, what you're seeing is the top part, and then, okay, number two, this is a Dutch pour. I haven't done a Dutch pour in a really long time. I'm not very good at them, and that explains why I don't do a lot of them. But this painting surprised me because although I don't like the way the Dutch pour came out, I do like what I did with it, and you'll see it at the end. So hang in there with me and just stay tuned and see what happens at the end. This might be part one of two. I'm not sure. It depends on how it dries. It's almost dry. I recorded this last night and it's the next day. I only have the strength now I was so tired to do the voiceover. I did edit it last night. So anyway, it's early. I'm tired. I'm going to let you guys watch this, and if I can think of anything else, I'll let you know. Okay, so stay tuned again. Please stay to the end because I think you'll like what you see, and then I welcome any comments and suggestions that you have. I'd love to hear feedback and ideas, and we'll take it from there. Thanks so much, everyone. Bye-bye. Okay, so here's where I take out my secret weapon, my spatula, my omelet spatula, I believe it is. I have two of these things, and they are just priceless. They perform magic, really, if you handle them the right way. So this allowed me to give this the definition that I wanted to see in it. When I saw something after doing the Dutch pour, I started to see, okay, I need to bring it up. I need to give it more definition. I need to separate it. Really needed to separate those colors. It didn't look like I wanted it to look. And so anyway, that's what I'm doing with this. And I'm going to, I think that's about it. This might be part one of part two. I think I'm probably going to get my brushes out and give it a little more definition still, but not much. I don't want to. I don't want to make this look like, you know, a photo. You know, a realism. I'm into that. But I loosely. I want you to know what you're looking at, but I don't want it to follow the rules of, complete reality. So after looking at it closely this morning, and while it's almost dry, not quite, these things they take longer than people realize, but it's drying real nice. It's there's no crazing at all. And I'm going to take a picture of it and show it at the end. You're going to see it on top of the canvas still. I have decided that I will embellish this. So I will take out my brush and I will show you that process. So there will be a part two. I am still very, very happy with this. I'm happy I went with the Dutch pour. Super happy with that because it allowed me to grasp onto this concept, which is it's a happy picture. Spring is coming, hopefully new beginnings for everybody, for us all, and the world. And we can, spring is a sign to start new. So I hope this brings you joy. I hope your day is full of joy, and we'll talk in part two. Thanks, everybody. Bye-bye.